I know it.
Oh, that's smart. I see how the mech works. That's really cool.
Yeah,
Hey, we should play Beyblade. Hold on, we can play Beyblade with this fucking shit, bro. Come here.
Wait, what is that?
Blade. What the
How's a
fuck is that?
contraption?
what the fuck did you do?
Bro,
Wait, I can't turn! My leg! I can't turn!
bro summoned a Gundam.
Gundam is just no. Who the fuck placed the thruster on it?
It was me.
Just
I'm
fucking
so
went
wrong.
move it, bitch. He's headed
No.
back at high speeds.
I'm gonna become a cum golem. Hey, bro.
Remove it.
Freed.
Remove
Okay.
the thruster.
I'll remove it.
There we go. Now I can. My head is now just glue.
Skill issue.
I have so many items.
What the fuck?
I'm
What's
just
going
spinning
on?
around a tree. What the fuck?
Okay, I'm free.
I'm trying to time my click.
You've been freed.
I didn't want to.
Ow, I got hit.
Wait, summon the fleet
It's
again.
actually hurting my eyes at this point. Just making. I'm just what the fuck? I'm spinning so fast. No wait, let it go.
Haha, I get.
No wait, unanchor it. Die. You died too. No wait, unanchor it.
Release me.
Foiled again.
No wait, unanchor it. How the fuck did he teleport out? No wait, unanchor the
I
thing.
took away my fucking chainsaw powers.
Release me.
Damn, what the?
Damn, it sure would suck if someone like.
No, I managed to do it and you didn't just mess it up. It's just. Why am I going up?
Why are you flying?
Why am I going up? I'm just going up. What the fuck? Open fire. Where's the big lever? There it is.
His legs are gone.
The
Fire.
bird water.
Oh my god.
He's a therapist.
What is that?
I'm just gonna give you like a rocket head.
It's like sideways, so you can't even control it. He's
I
just
can't
going
actually.
up. What?
You fool.
As I see you spin out in the distance.
Get the tiny candy. Oh god, your body's contorting.
Taking the mech down.
He's losing arms.
How's he taking the mech down?
He's defeating the The clobber is winning. The clobber is won. I can't. Oh, there you go. Took it off.
The fucking horror in that.
No, imagine if it was distant voice chat. Imagine if it was distant voice chat though.
We have voice chat.
Just as it just slowly go away.
That fucking.
Help!
No!
No!
The scream as he gets slowly lifted away.
No, please.
I took him away.
They come in. Purchase 5 balloon blocks. Yes, give me. Yo, I can buy a jetpack. Let me do that. I'll be improvised attack midget. 1 minute of fuel.
Ryan, shoot them all.
Hold on, I need to get a button down.
I got a button. Oh my lord.
Alberto, you might wanna watch out. What? Is that you? I see over there.
Yeah.
How?
I thought that was a ball.
How'd you go so far?